Anna wakes up to the sound of birds. It's a sunny day and she feels happy. Today, she plans to visit the park. Anna loves the park because it is peaceful. She grabs her backpack and leaves her home. In her backpack, she has a book, a bottle of water, and a sandwich. She walks down the street and smiles at her neighbor, Mr. Brown. He is watering his plants. Mr. Brown waves back and says, "Good morning." Anna reaches the park and takes a deep breath. The fresh air feels nice. She sees children playing on the swings. Their laughter makes her smile. Anna finds a bench under a big tree. She sits down and opens her book. The story is about a magical forest. Anna enjoys reading, and the book takes her to a different world. After a while, Anna hears a dog barking. She looks up and sees a small dog running towards her. The dog has a wagging tail. Its owner, a little boy, follows the dog. He laughs and says, "Sorry, he likes to run." Anna laughs and pets the dog. The dog is very friendly. The boy sits next to Anna and talks about his dog. His name is Max. Max likes to play with sticks. Anna listens and enjoys the boy's stories. Time passes quickly. Anna decides to have her lunch. She opens her sandwich and takes a bite. It's her favorite, peanut butter and jelly. The boy waves goodbye and takes Max to play with a stick. Anna watches them run and smiles. The sun is warm, and Anna feels relaxed. She closes her eyes for a moment. The sounds of the park are soothing. Birds chirp, and leaves rustle in the wind. Anna opens her eyes and sees the sun starting to set. She decides it is time to go home. She gathers her things and stands up, feeling refreshed. On her way home, Anna thinks about her day. She feels grateful for the simple joys. The park, the book, and the friendly dog made her day special. As she walks home, she hums a happy tune. Today was a good day, and tomorrow will be too.